Hello everyone, welcome to GV Ready Automation World. Right, we are continuing on 30-day challenge. Right, today is the fifth day. Right, day 5 programming challenge. Right, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification. Right, for so that you will not miss out the any video. Right, every day 2 p.m. we are starting the challenge. Right, please make sure to join and participate in it. Right, whoever participating and right. Doing it, thanks for all of them. Right, whoever did not get a time, right, please go and watch it and write the program and paste in the comment section. Right, please if you have any comments or any suggestions, please right, do it. Okay, we'll quickly jump into the today's program, day 5 challenge. Right, what is that? Check if a number is perfect number. Check if a number is perfect number. Right, what is perfect number? First of all, a number is perfect if sum of its proper divisors equal to the number itself. What is that mean? Suppose if you take a 6, what are the divisors of 6? 1 is a divisor for every number. 1 is divisor for every number. Then see, we can divide with 2. 6 is divided by, right, divisible by 2. 3. Right, only these 3 only it is divisible by 3. Right, 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 6. What is the sum of these divisors? 6. Right. What is the original number? 6. If both are equal, it is a perfect number. Suppose if we take one more example. 28. What are the divisors? 1, 2, 4, 7, 14. What is the sum of all these? 28. 28. Right. What is the original number? 28. Similarly, if you take a 12, what is the divisors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. What is the sum? 16. But what is the original number? 12. So it is not a perfect number. Right? We have to find out first of all divisors of 28. Right? Up to half of the number is fine. Right? Up to half of the number. Right? After that it will not divisible by any number. Right? See, 6 means 3, half of 14. Last number is half of. Right, last divisor will be mostly half of the number. Right, below this only divisors will be available. If you take 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right, 12 we no need to take it. Right, okay, then we'll start the, please start right, parallel with me. Right, you understand the program, I think. And if anyone did not understand, please comment in the comment section. Right, how to now find out this perfect number, whether number is perfect number or not? Just please try. Right, please start our program. Right, I am also starting. Right, we have covered day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Right, we have completed 4-day challenges. Right, this is the 5th day. Right, please start everyone. Right, I'll create. Everyone, please start the challenge. Write down the program. Day 5 challenge. Okay, I am creating the reusable method. Is perfect number. Okay, I will take the input as a number. Okay, we'll start. We have to start it from int I equal to 2. From 2 onwards we need to start, and then until number divided by half of the number is enough. Right, we need top 2 number. Suppose if the given number is less than 2. Right, one more condition also we can add, return false. That is not a from 2 from 2 onwards only we can verify it is a perfect number or not. Less than 2 means that is not a perfect number. Right, then we will take a one sum. Right, we want a sum equal to 1. 1 is always a divisible by any number, so sum initially 1. Then we will say if number is percentile 2 equal, if remainder is 0, that is the divisible by I, right, not I. Right, then if it is divisible, remainder is 0. After dividing, if it is a remainder is 0, how to calculate remainder? Percentile symbol. Then we can add that number to sum equal to sum plus I. Right, this is the shortcut form. Right, shortcut form for sum equal to sum plus I. Right, then we will add like this all the divisors, whichever number is divisor we will add to sum. Then we will return if number equal to sum. If both are equal, if whatever we are sending number and sum both are same, that is a perfect number. Right, then now we can, if we want to take input from the console, right, we can use the scanner. Right, just I am using that scanner also. Scanner object we need to create and pass the, we have to take it from input, that is console. Then integer number equal to sc dot next int. Right, we can take a next int. Right, here we can just enter the one message, so that enter number. Right, enter number. Okay, now call this. Right, I'm getting as a static, so that we can call directly from main method. Just I will write a system.out.println is perfect number equal to whatever number I will take it from the scanner. It will, if it is a perfect number, it will return true, otherwise false. Right, now just we will see what is the example what we have taken. 6 is a perfect number, 28 is a perfect number. Right, now we will verify whether our code is right. If anyone done the program, please comment and paste code in the comment section. Enter number, suppose at 6, right, 6 is right, we are getting false. Right, we are getting false, we have to verify. Right, it is coming false. I have printed here sum is 3. Right, I have done one mistake here. I have to write I less than or equal to number by t, then it will come. Right, enter 6. Right, see, now it is coming true. We have to, until we have to iterate I less than or equal to n divided by 2 until the half of the number. Right, now suppose if I execute it again. Right, what is one more number? 28. If I pass 28, it should, right, 28. Output also 28, now true. Suppose if I pass any other number, 12. Right, now 12 is right, false. Sum is 16. Right, no, false. Right, here just we are, if number is less than 2, returning false. If number, we have to, right, divisors we have to find out from, right, 2 starts with 2 and then up to half of the number, if anything is divisible by, if divided by number, then remainder will be 0. If remainder is 0, then we have to add to sum. Right, finally we have to validate if this number and sum both are equal, return true. Right, that's it. Right, if anyone has right, still doubts, please ping in the comment section. We will take one more class to explain it. Right, whoever completed, right, please post your code in the comment section. Right, whoever participated, thanks for them. Right, whoever did not get chance, please, right, whenever you get chance, just practice the program and paste in the comment section. If you have any suggestions, right, please comment in the comment section. Right, thanks for everyone who are participated. Please subscribe to the channel, enable notification.